Hi friends, I am Thirak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a picture inside the cell on your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a picture inside the cell in your Google Sheet web on your computer, I'm just going to show. So just click on the cell, which cell that users need to insert the picture inside the image cell, okay, or insert image inside the cell. So now click on the insert option, and there will be an option called image. And if you're just clicking on the image, you will see your two options: insert image in the cell, insert image over the cells. You just need to click on the first click, insert image in the cell. Click this, and now you just need to insert from your computer. Click on the browse option, or you can drag the file here. So I just click here and it automatically uploaded here, and now you can find the image inside the cell. If you want to keep it bigger, you just need to adjust the size so it's look like this. If you just need to have so bigger, so you can just adjust the size, it automatically resize. You can see, so now you can see it's actually inside the cell, and you can just copy the cell too. You can just see, I just going to copy to the different size. If you can adjust it, you can just make it on the perfect size. So this is how you just insert an image inside the cell on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.